So this is how it looks inside. I think it comes at this is contains 60 soft gel. And you can imagine they count 3 for 100 naira, but buying it in pack like this is more affordable. So that is it. I've opened this one. Let me just keep it aside and open the next one. So the colors that I am using here is based on what the owner of this particular lotion that I'm mixing wants. Now, if you have a lotion that you're using or a cream that you're using and that cream is not working as much as you want, and there's something you want to, like you want a particular thing from that cream, you can just add. If you don't want to buy serum, you don't want to buy concentrate, this is a more affordable something you can do, right? You can just add this into it. So this is it. I don't know if I should start counting these things because some of them look like some of them look like they are plenty, and then the other one, like this one looks much, this one look like it's not much. I don't know, should I start counting it? Maybe I should just do it. Do I even have the time for all that? Okay, so that is it, guys. Next thing I'm going to do is to mix it up. Okay, now this is the lotion I'm going to mix. I'm going to mix it to this particular lotion. I made a review about this lotion. If you haven't seen that review, right, and you have been seeing this lotion everywhere, if you haven't seen that my review, what I talked about this lotion, I did a review some time ago. If you haven't seen that review, go and watch it. I'll leave the link in the description box. Okay, so this lotion is what I'll be mixing this particular cream. I'll be mixing this vitamin A in. So you guys, we do skincare training, okay? If you want me to train you on skincare, whatever you want to learn, I will do that for you. And if you want me to premix your own lotion for you, if you want me to make a lotion for you from scratch, an organic lotion from scratch, pure organic, I do that. Just let me know, send me a message on WhatsApp, I'll do that for you. If you want to premix your cream, you have a cream that you use and you want to premix it. If you want to premix your cream, like you have a cream that you use and you want to premix it, okay, all you need to do is, if you already have the cream with you, you can send it over and I'm going to premix it to what you want, to your own taste. Or we can talk about the arrangement on how I can get that particular cream that you use and the things I'm going to use to premix that lotion, and I will do that for you. And then if you want me to give you a premixed lotion, like not you telling me, oh, I use Healthy Glow, or oh, I use Carotol, or I use any other thing, I use Medix. If you want me to do a premixing from A to Z for you, we can also talk about that. Everything you want to buy, skincare products, you want to train, you want to do anything you want to do, send me a message on WhatsApp. The link is in the description box. So I'll go ahead and open this cream, right? I'll go ahead and open this cream. Now, in that video, in my previous video where I talked about these vitamin E capsules, I told you guys how many you can use to get the best from it. I told you how many you can use, okay? So now, I'm supposed to add about 10 vitamin E into this. I want to use 2. I'm not using 1. I want benefits from 2, okay? So I'm going to add 5 of this particular one. This here is 5. I'll go ahead and drop it inside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 5. And then I'll set this aside. Get this one. Get 5 of this. So this is 5. I'll add it in as well. 1, to, I know some of you watching this, you'll be wondering, like, why am I adding it like that? Why not open it and add? I'm adding like this because I just need to add it like this. Okay, this is not a facial cream. If it's a facial cream like the one I mixed, the one I did that I added to face cream, I had to open it, right? But and that's because I don't want the color. Personally, I don't like lotions or I don't like face creams with colors like where I have to make my cream and add mica powder and stuff like that. For someone like me that has an acne prone skin, and I feel like just anything can provoke my acne, right? So I just, for someone like me, and that's how I do for most persons, I just feel like working with the face, you have to be extra careful. Now, for this is for the body, right? So both the color, the skin, everything can melt. All of these things will melt. All of these things. I wish this lotion is something I'm going to do with a different I'm going to do this again in a different video with a transparent bottle, so you guys will see how when this thing will melt. You see when this thing will melt. Okay, I think I'm going to keep this lotion with me until this melts, then I'll show you guys. But that is not going to be okay. That means I'm not going to post this video just immediately. I'll allow it. So you guys, look at the color of this lotion. And this is it. I have 10 of this in here. So we'll just leave it here. I'll close it. I'll just close it and leave it in here. Okay. Okay, so that is it. I'm not going to post this video for you guys just now. I'll allow it to this melts so that I will show you, or I'm going to do that in a different video. But guys, that's how to mix in your vitamin E capsules, animate capsules into your lotion. Okay, and it gives a very good result. Very good results. Have you subscribed to my channel yet? If you haven't done that, I don't know what you're waiting for. Please go ahead and do that. Okay, let God bless you for me. And also just do everything you know you're going to do to promote my channel. All right, if there's something you want me to do, if you want me to promote something, you want me to make a video, teach you how to do a particular thing, let me know in the comment section.